Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, we will talking about final project. The title final project which we have chosen is Alternative Selection of Coal-Fired Wastewater Treatment Technology for Electric Steam Power Plant by Ayu Christina. My name is Rizky Alivia Nurbianti. My number is 19 and then my partner
Kania Salsabila Nurifanda, and my number is 25. The summary of abstract is coal wastewater has characteristic, namely total suspended solid of 7,922 milligram per liter, then ferrum of 0.103 milligram per liter, and mangan of 0.093 milligram per liter. The wastewater doesn't meet the quality standards in the Minister of Environment Regulation number 8 of 2009. This study aims to determine the appropriate technology in treating coal wastewater to meet quality standards.
What's definition of the title of final project? The title explains how to determine alternative technologies for coal wastewater treatment at steam power plants so the waste result comply with quality standards. There are three words we can see. For the first word, wastewater is any water that has been contaminated by human use. Wastewater is used water from any combination of domestic, industrial, commercial, or agricultural activities, surface, surface runoff, or stormwater, and then any sewer inflow or sewer infiltration. For the second words, coal is a combustible black or brownish-black sedimentary rock from as rock strata called coal seams. Coal is mostly carbon with variable amounts of other elements, chiefly hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and nitrogen. For the last word, alternative is proposition or situation offering a choice between two or more things, only one of which may be chosen.
Okay, there are three topics we will discuss. The first is introduction. The introduction is coal is a source of fuel used by power generating companies. The birch is a type of ship that is towed by tug to transport and carry cargo later. The distribution of coal from the birch to the generator area is carried out in several stages. Then the background. The background is after the coal distribution process, it is necessary to clean the transfer tower and crusher area. The wastewater from the cleaning is only collected in the syrup pond reservoir and crusher pit. The wastewater needs to be treated so that there is no overflow during the rainy season. Coal wastewater has characteristics, namely total suspended solid of 7,932 milligram per liter, ferrum of 0.103 milligram per liter, and mangan of 0.093 milligram per liter. The wastewater doesn't complete the quality standards in the Minister of Environment Regulation number 8 of 2009. Then about alternative solution in the next slide.
Okay, we can see there are three pictures. For the first picture, the left pitch from the readers, that's rear ship is a coal container ship. Meanwhile, the front ship is a ship that is driven to tow ships laden with coal. And then for the second pitch, the right at the below from the readers, this is crusher pit. Crusher pit is a coal crusher hole, serves to reduce the size of coal particles. And then the last pitch is Sairo, or coal yard runoff. This is pond function as a storage tank for wastewater from cleaning transfer tower and crusher.
Okay. The next is processing method or alternative solution. Uh, there are five processing methods: equalization tank, grid chamber, coagulation flocculation, sedimentation, and filtration. The equalization tank or equalization basin functions to overcome the fluctuation of wastewater discharge, which will be flowed to the next process. Grid chamber. Grid chamber removes larger coal powder particles to produce finer particles. Then coagulation flocculation. This unit has a high removal of total suspended solid, namely by stirring and adding chemicals to the reactor, so that the coal powder in the waste forms a floc which will then be settled. Then sedimentation. After the floc has increased in size, the floc will settle at the bottom of the reactor to form two layers, namely clear and turbid. And the last is filtration. Filtration, the clear layer resulting from sedimentation is flowed to the filtration unit to reduce the total suspended solid level that is still contained in the waste.
So this is the result of the final project. Coal wastewater is processed according to the technology chosen. We'll have a total suspended solid or TSS concentration of 4 milligrams per liter, and then ferrum of 0.025 milligrams per liter, and then mangan of 0.093 milligrams per liter.
Okay, everyone, maybe enough from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ready, set, go, select. Technique.